Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem in VS Code if your terminal is not working and opening. So in 2026-27 this is the latest tutorial. So if you open your VS Code, and probably normally you open the terminal by going to this menu option and click on new terminal. So in my case terminal is working perfectly, but in your case if it is throwing some kind of error, if the terminal is not opening, the very first solution is that you need to go to your task manager, and then you need to search for this. Once you open the VS Code, you just need to search for this code process. So you need to actually close this VS Code from this. So you just need to right click and select this option, end task, and completely turn off VS Code. So as soon as you do this, your VS Code will completely turn off. And now simply restart the VS Code. Normally, if you do this, normally this will fix the problem. Again, you just select go to terminal. If this fixes the problem, then it's good. If it doesn't fix the problem, then there is a second solution here. You simply press Ctrl Shift P, and this will open this command palette, and simply search for user setting, or you can simply go to right here, which is view, and preferences you need to go to. I think it is inside yeah, you can simply open Ctrl Shift P, simply type user settings, or you can simply select this option user settings, and right here you need to search for this property which is terminal.integrated.default profile. So if you simply search for this property inside the search bar, terminal.integrated.default profile, just make sure that is set to command prompt. If it's set to any other option like null, PowerShell, Git bash, simply select this option command prompt and select this option. That's all. And after that, hopefully this will fix the problem. Or you can also open user settings JSON file as well. And right here you can even do that property if you want to do this manually. So you can paste the same property which is terminal.integrated.default profile.windows. So if you set this property to command prompt, this will also solve the problem to you. So you can do this both the ways. So if it doesn't solve the problem, then you need to delete this property. If it's set to a wrong path, so inside this JSON property, if it's set to a wrong path, you need to delete this property. So and then restart. If it doesn't, then you basically open the VS Code using administrative privileges. So right click, run as administrator, and then open the VS Code like this, and then again select terminal. This will also will solve the problem. If it doesn't solve the problem, then simply check if you are running any sort of antivirus. So you need to disable that antivirus and then run VS Code. If it doesn't solve the problem, then you need to go to this path, you wherever VS Code is installed. So go to C directory, and whatever is your username. So I think it's normally is present inside users. So whatever is the username. So in my case it's ASUS, and then you need to go to this folder app data, and then go to local. Sorry, this is go to you need to roaming folder, and simply search for this VS Code. Sorry, just search for code folder. So here all the files are related to VS Code. Simply go to this folder, and you need to simply select this settings.json file. So this file will be present right here. So if you see, this is actually the file here, preferences dot json file. So I need to delete this file completely because this will reset everything. So this actually is the file where it contains all the settings. So you need to delete this file, preferences.settings.json. So delete this file and then restart the VS Code. If it also doesn't solve the problem, then you need to simply VS Code, right click, open file location. Again, right click, open file location. So wherever VS Code is located, so this will actually tell you the exact location where VS Code is there. So what you need to do, you just need to reinstall VS Code. So completely uninstall. So you can basically run this setup, uninstall. So this will completely uninstall VS Code and it's all its components. So simply select yes and download a fresh copy of VS Code from their official website. So this will 100% solve the problem for you, and that terminal will start working for you. So simply go to Google and download a fresh copy after deleting if it doesn't solve the problem. So kindly tell me in the comment section which solution worked for you. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.